Honor has launched its new X series phone in Malaysia called Honor X6c, with magic capsule feature for notifications. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X6c features a tall 6.61-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1010 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Honor X6c sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that houses a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with the auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5300 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.95 by 75.6 by 8.39mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X6c has been priced in Malaysia for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 599 Malaysian ringgits. And it is now available for purchase in the country in Midnight Black, Moonlight White, and Ocean Cyan color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X6c smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.